Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, we have pretty nice conditions out there this morning, quiet conditions with just a slight breeze developing. However, that will change as we go into the afternoon as we'll see a pretty strong cold front across the region with showers and thunderstorms and an increase expected in our winds as well. I want to take a quick look here at our live cam looking off to the north and east this morning. Over Wallops Island, you can see those very pleasant conditions first thing this morning. With just a gentle breeze and some pretty comfortable conditions as far as temperatures go as well, with those temperatures already in the 50s. We'll see those temperatures warming into the 60s ahead of that cold front, and we will see a pretty dramatic change in those temperatures as the front goes through later on this afternoon. Taking a look here at our current surface analysis, you can see that frontal boundary off to our west. The showers and thunderstorms will be lined up across that frontal boundary, and we'll see those showers and storms moving in to the Wallops region, likely by the mid-afternoon hours today. I want to take a look here at our forecast model and the timing that we are expected for those showers and thunderstorms to move through. This is at 1 p.m. local time. You can see some of the showers still off to the north and west at that point. Then by about 3 o'clock, that's when we start to see the activity really picking up here across the area. 4 o'clock, the showers crossing the Wallops region and then quickly out to sea by around 5 or 6 o'clock this evening. So looking like a pretty quick mover as far as the frontal boundary goes. The showers and thunderstorms are expected across the region as it goes through. So be on the lookout for that if you do have any outdoor activity expected during those mid-afternoon hours today. We are expecting some of those thunderstorms moving through with some lightning as well as we go into the mid-afternoon and into the later portion of the afternoon as well. In addition, we'll see those winds picking up and continuing to be quite strong as we go through the evening and overnight hours. We'll see a colder air mass ushered into the region with those gusty northwest winds, and expecting the northwest winds to continue during the day on Thursday. But as you can see here, pretty dry conditions expected for your Thursday. A little bit of cloudiness possibly developing during the afternoon as we see the base of that upper level trough move through the region. And then for your Friday, seeing a little nicer conditions as your winds will be dying down a little bit, and we'll see a little bit warmer conditions as well. Taking a look here at our infrared satellite, you can see the front pretty nicely on here this morning, approaching the western part of the state of Virginia. Again, that will be racing across the state today and likely arriving here at around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So taking a quick look here at our current conditions, you can see just a little bit of cloudiness out there at around 5,000 feet. Another deck at 10,000 feet with unrestricted visibilities. Winds out of the south-southwest at 8 knots. Temperature already up to 59 degrees. Relative humidity at 87%. So looking at the next 24 hours, again, those hazards expected during the afternoon with the rain and thunderstorm activity. Again, probably about a 55% chance of seeing some embedded thunderstorms with this line as it moves through the region here. So a pretty good bet for that to occur during the mid to late afternoon hours. Rain chances look pretty probable as well with that line as it moves through. And again, those winds will be increasing up to around 30 knots for our winds as we go into the late afternoon as that front moves through. Some breezy conditions ahead of that front as well. Winds turning from south to northwest as the frontal boundary passes the region, and then continue to be fairly breezy to gusty as we go throughout the overnight hours, with colder air infiltrating the area, getting down to a low of 38 degrees for your Thursday. Expecting partly to mostly cloudy skies, cooler conditions as well, with a high of 56 after a daytime high today around 70. Thursday night, expecting partly cloudy and cooler conditions. We'll see a low of 37 degrees as those winds die down during the overnight period. Could see a pretty good radiational cooling event for us. And then for Friday, expecting partly cloudy and slightly breezy conditions with a high of 62 degrees. Well, that'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. for a look at your extended forecast. Have a nice day.